Hello, everyone. Welcome here. Welcome to our S3E Reverse track webinar. I promise it's going to be a short webinar, just to give you an idea of how you can apply to the reverse and what you can gain from that. So without any delay, let me share my screen. So a few things about our project. S3E project is a European funded project. We realized that there was a problem in innovation in Europe, and a lot of moderate and emerging innovators, we were lagging behind. There is a divide between strong innovators in the north and emerging innovators and moderate innovators in the south. And this divide is often translated as difficulty to access finance, difficulty to access funding. Based on that finding, we created the S3E project. It's the Southern European entrepreneurship engine. And the goal of the project is to improve the market connectedness and efficiency of research teams, startups, and SMEs working on deep tech. Now, we have 3 tracks: start, charge, and reverse. I'm going to present the reverse track here. Start and charge were aiming at early stage startups and TTOs. These tracks are already either underway or have already finished. So we're still running the reverse. We will see if we will run another cycle of charge, maybe in after the summer, depending on how many companies we have and if we have the resources. But for now, I'm going to present the reverse and what you can gain from the reverse. In general, in S3E mission, we as a mission was to upskill the researchers. So that was done using the start track. But we also aiming at support the growth of startups. So focus on startups that have already a proof of concept, are already in the market, and are looking to grow, and hopefully to broker some investments between startups and venture capitals or angel investors or other forms of funding, and of course support open innovation. With reverse, which is slightly different than the normal acceleration programs that you may have heard of, we try to go from the problem to the solution. So we asked the corporates, institutions, organizations, public organizations, for their challenges, for the problems that industries may face, and they couldn't find any clear solutions for them. So corporates and big companies, even some public organizations like hospitals, for instance, responded to that call and participated by describing a challenge that they have, a challenge that they encounter, and this challenge is a hurdle to their growth and innovation. That innovation gap, the lack of accessible, effective solutions, when you know that there is a problem but you cannot find a solution in the market, is what we try to address. So the unique offering of the reverse track is that it provides a platform for matching organizations and companies with specific problems, specific challenges. So in essence, we match startups with potential clients. And the call is for solution providers, for startups that can participate in the project by identifying, reviewing the challenges that we have, and I will present the challenges shortly, and see if they can work on a solution. But before I present the challenges, let me define what a challenge is, at least in our context. So a challenge is a specific problem. So it's not something generic. It should be something specific that lacks a satisfactory solution. So we don't have any product in the market. We don't have any service being sold by another company. Or if we do, it's either too expensive, it's beyond our reach or whatever. So if this problem is solved, then the company can drive significant value. And it is an invitation, as I said earlier, to startups, to innovators, to apply their knowledge and solve a specific problem. So rather than looking for problems in the ecosystem or of thinking that you may have a solution for a problem that maybe doesn't exist, here we can present you with a bunch of specific, well-defined challenges that organizations have brought to us. And so far, we have the challenges that you can see in that in this table. We will these challenges are also announced in our website. There are some challenges here that are not in our website, but we will update all of them next week. And you can see that we have challenges from all over Europe, from France, Greece, Portugal, Germany, Turkey. And they are also coming from different domains. So we have challenges in health, from hospitals, from the University Hospital of Cologne. We have challenges in manufacturing, like the reduction of free melamine content in wastewater. We have challenges from public organizations, from public institutions like the water company, and they're looking for a route optimization and meter reading solution. We have even a challenge in AI and AI-based damage inspection and sales forecasting. So I'm sure that most of you, all of you actually will probably find something, find the domain where you may help. You may have a solution ready, or you may work on a solution, but the important thing is that you have the know-how to work in this solution. So we don't expect that you have a ready-made product that you will do a demo and then the company will buy it and it will solve all their problems. But we hope that you may have a solution which, by working with the company, you will be able to create a product or a service that will solve this challenge. And hopefully, maybe this can be replicated in other situations. Some examples from the past cycle involve Zenith and Talomil. These are big companies in Greece. Zenith is a power distributor, and Talomil is one of the biggest companies in the Balkans in aluminium. So Grape is a winery, and you can see that they all had specific challenges. They described this challenge. We opened the floor to solution providers, and all of them managed to be matched with startups which are currently working with these companies to develop a solution. So what's in it for you? What are you going to gain? First of all, you will gain access to clients, an opportunity to find new, to build some working relations with clients that are actually looking for solutions. You will get support by our technology brokers. Technology brokers are experts who will help you respond to the challenge of the companies or the corporates and define your solution in the best possible way and match you with the companies. So basically, these are the people who will review your solution and will do the due diligence and will see if it is a good opportunity for the challenge that we have in place. It is also an excellent platform to build consortia and to pursue funding opportunities in Horizon Europe, especially in pre-commercial procurement and in public procurement, which are projects, are initiatives very close to the idea of reverse. How can you participate? First of all, you can find your challenge. So you will go to our website. You will find the domain, the challenge. You will read the challenges. You will see the challenge that you are mostly interested in, and then you will submit a solution through F6S. I will go through the application form so that you can see how easy it is. After that, our technology brokers will review the solution, the service or product that you have suggested, or the idea that we have suggested, and can solve this problem. They do their due diligence with you. They call you. They will. You will be able to present the product or service to them. They need to understand it, and then if they see that there is a good match, then they will arrange for a demo with the challenge organization. So you will be invited to demonstrate your solution to an actual client and explain how you suggest to solve this problem. And if there is a successful match, we can, of course, support you in forming a more formal relation with the company, either through an MOU or a work assignment or whatever. The timeline is open, so we have a first-come, first-served basis. So don't wait to apply. Apply now if you feel that you can address a challenge. We have some cut-off days, so these cut-off days we review everything that we have, and we see if we can either add more challenges or disregard some solutions that are not applicable. And the program will last till the end of November. So you will have the chance to work with the technology brokers and the corporates till the end of November. Of course, that can go beyond the project, but until the end of November, we will be able to support you with our technology brokers. And that's it. Now, before I close, let me show you how you can reach. You can either go to our website and apply now, and once you click that, you will open an application form in F6S. It is really a very short application, so you need to have a profile. So if you don't have a profile, you need to create a profile so you can select or create new. And then we need some basic information of your company, where you're established, when, a short description of your activities, how many people work. If you have annual revenues, it's not necessary, but if you have annual revenues, you need to share that with us. You will click on the challenge. Of course, here this will adapt it to the new challenge as well. And you will describe how you propose to solve this challenge, how you propose to address it. And maybe offer some technical key aspects on your solution, maybe some explanations on the frameworks that you're using, on the technology that you will be using, on the know-how that you have. And finally, a few more questions on the impact, on the cases that we have implemented, if you have other clients that you have implemented something similar, if you have customers, if you in what way this technology that you're offering are compliant with the United Nations SDG goals, and more or less this is it, and some statistics for us, and this is it. You apply, we receive your application, we do the due diligence, We see if it's relevant, and if it is relevant, then we immediately match you with a technology broker and the company. We can help you finalize your proposal. We can help you understand the challenges. If something is not clear, we can even now at this stage go back to the company and clarify something for you. So we are here to help, and I do hope that we'll see more of you applying to the reverse track. Thank you.